If you're thinking about buying Clawcloud, there are 7 essential things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. Whether you're new to the platform or comparing it to others, these insights will help you make the most informed choice. Stick around till the end because the last point might just change how you view Clawcloud compared to its competitors. First off, let's talk about its core offering. Clawcloud is a cloud storage solution, but it's not just about storing your data. What sets it apart is its ease of use combined with powerful automation features. While other cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox offer basic storage, Clawcloud takes it further with tools designed for businesses and teams that need more than just a place to store their files. It's not just about uploading your documents, it's about managing them efficiently. Next thing to consider is its pricing structure. Compared to competitors like Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, Clawcloud offers a more competitive pricing model, especially for those needing advanced features. For a similar set of functionalities, you'll find yourself paying less for Clawcloud, which includes the automation tools and enhanced security features that come standard with the subscription. And if you're on the fence, the good news is you can try Clawcloud for free. You'll find the best trial offer by clicking the first link below. The third thing is its security and encryption. When you're storing sensitive files, you want to know that they're protected. Clawcloud uses top-tier security measures, including AES 256-bit encryption, which is the same level of encryption used by top banks. If you're comparing Clawcloud to competitors like Dropbox or Box, you'll find that their security is solid, but Clawcloud goes the extra mile by including automatic backup and file recovery in its service. If security is a priority for you, Clawcloud has you covered. The fourth thing you need to know is Clawcloud's user interface. It's incredibly intuitive. You don't need to be a tech expert to start using it effectively. While other platforms like Google Drive may feel a bit more familiar to most, Clawcloud has a streamlined design that makes file organization and retrieval effortless, without the clutter or distractions. Whether you're managing large files or collaborating with a team, this interface makes it easy to get things done fast. Next, let's talk about Clawcloud's integrations. A major factor in choosing cloud storage is how well it works with other tools you use daily. Clawcloud doesn't fall short here. It integrates seamlessly with a wide range of third-party apps and tools, making it an attractive choice for businesses that rely on software like Microsoft Office, Slack, and even Zoom. If you're using several platforms to run your business, Clawcloud's integrations make managing everything in one place incredibly easy. If you've ever tried juggling multiple systems that don't talk to each other, you know how much of a game changer seamless integrations can be. Another thing to consider is the customer support. With Clawcloud, you'll find a strong support team available 24/7 through various channels. Whether you're facing a technical issue or just need help navigating the software, their support team is responsive and knowledgeable. A key difference here when compared to some other platforms is that Clawcloud offers dedicated support even for free trial users, something many competitors reserve only for paying customers. Lastly, let's talk about scalability. As your business grows, your needs for cloud storage will likely grow too. One of Clawcloud's strengths is its scalability. The platform is designed to easily expand with your needs, without causing disruptions or forcing you to migrate data. It offers flexible plans that adjust as your team or file storage needs increase. This flexibility is something many competitors like Dropbox and Google Drive struggle with when scaling up beyond basic users. So, if you're looking for a cloud storage solution that's affordable, secure, user-friendly, and scalable, Clawcloud could be your answer. If you're ready to try it out, make sure you click the first link in the description to get the best offer and exclusive benefits with a completely free trial. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience what Clawcloud can do for you and your business.